We are from Unifab India and we are into manufacturing of garments. And I'm the one of the director of the company. We have tried multiple CRM earlier, who has very big name in the industry. But once we use it, we had always a hurdle, like a support team hurdle, or you need a third party for the customization. But the best part about the Kylas support thing, first, the product is very simple to use, very easy to use for anybody. Number two, the onboarding team. Like you get a very equipped onboarding team which help you almost for a month for the customization as per your requirement of product. And third thing, it's very cost effective. And the fourth thing, support team. Like throughout the journey, whenever you send a small mail or you raise a ticket, instant you get a call from the support team and they help you on each and every aspect. Either it's a customization, either it's a automation, or any sort of thing, any integration with the third party software, everything. They are very friendly and very supportive. See, in other CRM, first the product was quite complex. If we'll talk about the layman who is from a textile background or any sort of normal businessman, so we are not that technically trained about the softwares or the computer things. So this thing is very user friendly, which was the hurdle for the previous thing what we are using. And number two, for any sort of thing, if we are approaching the customer care, the revert time is normally 48 hours or more sometimes, which is very less in Kylas. And the third thing, for every sort of information or any sort of thing, we are dependent on the third party, which they charge heavily for any sort of customization. Whereas in case of Kylas, we get the support from the team as well. Now we are using 11 people in the team, and they all are very happy to use this software. And the automation part is the best thing, which is very user friendly, and you can automate like a task automation or the email sort of thing or the WhatsApp sort of thing. It's a very user friendly. And the best part is customer support. Like your team is always there to help us whenever we require. So simplicity of the product, like it's a very much user friendly. There is nothing complex, and the innovation. Like every month we see some new feature is added up, and keep on adding the different features. Like recently I've seen GPS thing for the sales team who can access and put the GPS location up there on the field. So this is also a very nice feature. See, if we'll talk about the productivity, we can say roughly around 30 to 40% increase in the productivity. Reason being the reporting format is very powerful in Kylas, where we can create the reports as per our requirement. We can create the automation of the report as well. So we can monitor the entire organization on our fingertips. So this is the best feature and how we are going. Definitely, I'll recommend Kylas to everyone, especially for the people who is having a MSME or a small business thing. For the people who think that CRM is quite a big thing and they cannot implement. So I would like to tell them that it's a wrong perception. Even if you're a small company with a team of 10 or 12 people also, you can implement this, and it's very user friendly and definitely it will ease your work. I'll rate 5 out of 5 only because everything is perfect for me.